How to make colorful acrylic keychains with laser machine, Episode 2. We still use the REDSHIFT Laser, model 13090. Now, let's get started. Watch as it etches our design onto this acrylic keychain effortlessly. You can add names, dates, or any special message to make your keychain truly unique. It's the perfect gift or keepsake. Once engraving is complete, it will proceed to cut out the keychain shape following your cutting path. The laser is precisely cutting the acrylic sheet into pieces that match the size of your keychain design. As the laser machine works its magic, you'll witness these acrylic sheets transform into small pieces of art. With our acrylic pieces ready, it's time to assemble our keychain. You can mix and match the shapes and colors to your heart's content.